We just saw monkeys.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Hey!
Hey guys,
I can't see anything.
it's super bright. We are at Bach National Park today. We are going for a hike, gonna see some waterfalls, some lakes. Gonna probably fly the drone at some stage.
Yay!
Gonna kiss Honey. She's cute. We might go for a swim.
Yeah, that's right, we will. We're so high up, it's so cold.
We just got a bus up to the top of Bach Mountain.
Yeah.
And on the way, what did we see?
We saw a monkey, and it wasn't Ben. We actually saw a monkey.
The view here is amazing.
Yeah. Oh, it's so nice here.
Breezy.
Yeah. How to do it.
Just whack it into it.
How hard?
You're about to slam it.
Oh, three.
That's cool. You can like feel it.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool.
We just saw monkeys.
I don't know if you can hear it. That was freaking cool.
We saw them again, but we didn't get time to like take the camera
Yeah.
out and film.
They're so beautiful.
Yeah.
We got to see one like jump from a different tree and oh my god,
They had,
huge.
like, red, grey, and like a black and white.
It was like
It was
that
awesome.
like browny red colour, yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
You gotta come
So
here.
cool.
It's cool.
So where are we going now?
We're off to some waterfalls and some lakes.
Yes.
So see you there.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Ah, I almost felt like I don't know
We're
which way I'm
at
going.
the next part of our Bach Ma tour.
Yeah.
We are walking, I think it's about 8 kilometers into the jungle to see some lakes. So they gave Han a little belt with a rope and
That's my belt.
a little carabiner. So if it's slippery somewhere or dangerous, she can just clip it on. They gave us these cute little lunch boxes. It's so funny when he pulled them out. Han's like, oh my god, so cute.
We are start to go to the recent 5 lakes first, okay? From here to the first lake, lake number 1, not really far. Around 300 meters we do, alright? And 15 minutes walk, we are met to the first lake, and then we are enjoying the first, second, 3, 4, 5 lakes. We spend and 2.5 hours in jungle and 8 kilometers. Okay, 8 kilometers we do. Are you ready? Let's go.
Good Hannah.
Hold on to me.
Good Hannah.
You need to hold on to me.
Heel, heel.
You put it here. That's so cool. This is so good. Need a coin.
What? Do you want help? You got it? Are you alright? Oh my gosh. feel like the camera doesn't do it justice. What do you got to eat?
I got the coconut rice,
Tofu,
tofu, egg, and something else.
Pretty good.
And then some soup.
What kind of soup?
I don't know.
Soupy soup?
Beef soup.
Oh, like that.
Pasta.
Yeah. So this is our view now.